Say goodbye to endless cycles of text feedback. Hi, I'm Gaozong. I do content at Visla, and I firmly believe the best way to give feedback is with a video. As a content creator and previous instructional designer, I've experienced that frustrating feeling of receiving written feedback that isn't clear, which leads to a lot of back and forth or eventually an ad hoc call. Which is why I like to give feedback with a screen recording so that I can explain what I mean with visual. If you need a way to clearly give feedback, this is how I do it. Let's say I see something on our website that I want to give some feedback on. I'll start a screen recording video using Visla's desktop app. Select my window that I want to record, then select my recording region and my recording layout. I love that I can record myself and my screen so that I don't have to do a voiceover later. Then when I'm ready to record, I hit start. I'll go to the exact page and use my mouse to point or click at the section I want to talk about and tell the camera my feedback. For this section specifically, I think we can make it shorter, so I'll tell my team, hey, I think for this sentence we can make it more concise. This is what I recommend we do. When I'm done giving feedback, I'll end the recording. The best part is I can simply grab the share link, copy it, and paste it into an email or into Slack. I use the same process when I log bugs or feature requests to reduce the amount of back and forth. If you're spending too much time writing written feedback, consider recording a video and let me know how much time you've saved.